In this video, I'm going to show you the process on how to download WeChat on Windows. So make sure to follow all of these steps till the end. The very first step is to open any web browser. In the search bar, search for download WeChat. Head over to the very first link. Here you need to click on Microsoft and click on download. It will take you to this page. Now here you can click on Open Microsoft Store. Here click on Install. Now your application WeChat is in the process of downloading. You need to wait for a while. So there you can see that the application WeChat has been installed successfully. Now you can just open your application WeChat and log into your account and start using this application. So this was for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to download WeChat on Windows. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.